everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with them. That's a Soapy series, and today I'm talking about House of Zwide. Guys, it's been a month of surprises with House of Zwide. I don't want to say a lot, but I know what abantu they wanted to see Faith esafarisha mtakabawo, and iyona nto ama producers a House of Zwide azosinika yona. Hayi ngalendlela ebesi expected ukuthi Faith uzohamba yoboshwa bolejela hlupheke and blah 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 blah, but there is something ezokwenzeka empilweni ka Faith ezojabulisa ababukeli. Going straight to what is going to happen, guys, Faith will be out on bail. Faith's husband and Nkosi will be furious when Faith arrives home unannounced and she is ready to fight. Faith realizes that the men have turned their back on her, but she is arrogant and says that she'll just sleep in the spare room until they are calmer. Faith takes a lawyer with her who reminds Funani that he's still married to her and that's legally. This is still her home too, so there is really nothing they can do. And guys, at the start of August, Faith starts to hearing voices. Instead of it fading away, these voices will grow and forms until it becomes a ghost that makes Faith's life living a living nightmare. After time, Funani gets his way and Faith moves into the intense flat. That's where her nightmare begins. She's at the point where she's admitted into a psychiatric ward. They will tell her that it's all in her mind. A short while later and discharged, Faith has a very public meltdown when she sees the ghost of Funani's late wife who she killed. Her past is now hunting her. She sees the ghost of this woman and she speaks to it and it wrestles with it at the restaurant. This is obvious, very embarrassing, and people start taking photos and videos of her. It's bad, guys. After a while, a ghost convinces Faith to come clean to her family to tell the whole truth about what happened that night many years ago, when their lives changes forever. Against her lawyer advice, Faith calls a family meeting. The ghost convinces her that if she comes clean, her family will forgive her, knowing that that's not necessarily the truth, because she's so desperate for her husband to understand that killing his wife was a mistake and she did it for him because she loves him. She comes clean, Winnie says, adding that Busi's ghost isn't done with her just yet. So guys, stay tuned to see how will this story unfold. Faith usazohlanya njengekhanda khulume yedwa bamthatha video azakhuluma iqiniso ukuthi what really happened. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.